Hey, what's up YouTube? This is another video from the Handsome Mother Trucker. I am, you know what I'm saying? And today we got our GoPro, y'all.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky.
I'm very excited about it. I've been trying to get one of these for the longest. So we got our GoPro, we all set up. I'm just getting off my home time. So we on our way to Spring Valley, Illinois. Let me make sure this is right. I think I'm right though. I think I'm right. Yeah, Spring Valley, Illinois. So we currently in West Memphis, Arkansas. Like I said, this is my first. I'd say this is my first official truck driving video. So you know what I'm saying. If for the ones who didn't know, I'm a Schneider driver. I'm stationed in West Memphis, Arkansas. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. I live in Memphis, Tennessee. It only takes me like maybe 15 to 20 minutes to get to work and to home. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited about that. You know what I'm saying? I'm also excited about this 7 days I'm gonna be out. You know what I'm saying? And testing out my GoPro and you know what I'm saying? Like just getting footages for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So this gonna be a bumpy ride. But if y'all can handle the bumps, man, y'all come on ride with your boy. You know what I'm saying? We've already did the pre-trip on the truck. Like I said, we only got like, let me see how long I got. I'm currently on my pre-trip. I got like 3 minutes left on my pre-trip, so we about to go hook up to this trailer. Good thing about it, it's loaded already. You know what I'm saying? So the only thing I gotta do is hook up to it, and we're gonna be on our way. You know what I'm saying? So we headed to take this load right here to a Walmart. It's a drop and hook. That's another good thing, and I want to bring y'all along with me, you know, so I want to show y'all how I do my truck driving thing, you know what I'm saying? So just bear with me. I'm not sure how often y'all like to see y'all favorite truck driver channel post videos, anything like that, but I'm gonna try my best to, you know what I'm saying, try to stay consistent with this thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm new to this truck driving vlogging thing, and we finna make it do what it do. So if you haven't already, make sure you like. I mean, not like, I ain't mean to say like, you ain't gotta like, you know what I'm saying? Just make sure you subscribe to the channel. Share the video, whatever you want to do. Feel free to ask any kind of question you want to ask. I might be able to answer. You never know. Just ask me, you know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. Go on. Man, so y'all ain't gonna believe what just happened, man. So I'm thinking the whole time I'm recording myself hooking up to the trailer. You know what I'm saying? Letting the trailer down, latching on, making sure the kingpin is locked around the locking jaws, and making sure the lights on the side of the trailer was alright, making sure that the tail light was on. You know what I'm saying? Making sure the tires was good. I'm thinking I'm recording all these right. Man, I get back in the truck and look at the freaking camera, y'all. Man, that jump was not even recording, man. You know what I'm saying? But one thing I didn't forget about was I told y'all gonna let y'all ride with me, man. So no matter what go on, man, I'm gonna let y'all roll with me, man. I ain't gonna leave y'all abandoned, man. But man, I thought I recorded it, man. I thought I recorded it, man. For real, man. I thought I recorded it. But right now we leaving out the gate. Like I said, we on our way to Spring Valley, Illinois. I cut these flashes off now. I know y'all probably like, man, what is that noise? It's the flashes, y'all. You gotta have them flashes on while you're on the yard. Now we leaving out the gate and we on our way, man. I'm gonna turn this camera around y'all so y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? That way I ain't gotta do it later on.
Can I get that driver number?
112-3477.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Now, ain't that a beautiful view, y'all? We got a whole river. Well, I ain't gonna say river. I'll say like something kind of like a lake or something. Well, you can go fishing over there. I can get out work one day and I can go fishing. Always kind of like a pain getting up out this junk though sometimes. It depends on how busy it is. Safety first. We on it. So how long y'all want to ride with your boy? It don't matter to me, long as y'all got some gas money, man. Long as you got some gas money. You can ride long as you want to, long as you got some gas money.
Turn right to West Service Road.
Turn right.
Proceed east on West Service Road. A half mile. Turn left to exit 140 east of Whitefield 955.
I wonder why he parked there. He ain't even in his truck. Who that is? But yeah, man, like I said, this is my first official, you know what I'm saying, truck driving video. Pretty excited. I'm loving the GoPro. Now I'm gonna tell y'all something. It's like I can record with my GoPro on my dashboard mount. You know what I'm saying? I can do that. And they'll record all day long without me stopping. But it's like for some reason, if I put that Dash Pro on my head and use it on my head strap, it's only gonna record partial of it, or it might not even record at all. But I call myself hitting that record button though. I hope there ain't no traffic or nothing like that up here ahead, cause it's not likely that it will be, but sometimes, you know what I'm saying, like when I be leaving Arkansas and I'm headed to like, I say Texas or something. It depends on which way I go. It's always like congested. But it look like we're gonna be alright though. This load right here is 510 miles, about like 9.5 hours away. So like I said, the road's pretty clear. I'm gonna sit back and I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, listen to me a little music or something like that. And I know y'all probably gotta get home, man. Y'all can't ride with me all day now. I know y'all mamas and daddies and y'all boyfriends and your girlfriends gonna wonder where you at in a minute. So I'm gonna pick back up with y'all. I don't know when it's gonna be, but we'll pick back up. I'll swing back by and get y'all, man. Y'all be easy. So this particular clip right here shows me being very last minute, I would say. Put my ice inside of my cooler. So I normally go grocery shopping before I leave home, before I get on the road. This time I didn't go grocery shopping. So what I had to do was I had to make a pit stop at this little mom and pop store, a little store called Roadies. And I had to get me a whole lot of stuff for my truck. Coca-Cola, water bottles, meat, you know, of course, ice, as you can see. So, yeah, I learned my lesson this particular day because it kind of held me up just a little bit. But while I was doing that, I just decided to do a pre-trip on my truck. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like a en-route inspection. Kind of make sure everything's still good and make sure everything's still good for us to hit the road and keep on trucking, man. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all stay tuned, man. We finna get back on this road and we finna head on to Spring Valley, Illinois. Come on now, put your seatbelts on and y'all come on and let's ride. So we trucked it on now, guys. We finally made it to Spring Valley, Illinois. We can go ahead and get this load dropped off at this Walmart, find us somewhere to park, get us a hot shower, get us something to eat, and we gonna call it a night. Get up in the morning, do it all over again. Y'all stay tuned. Let's go and drop this load off, y'all.